Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Omkar Ki Pukar show. So let's start with the show. So over here, you are saying is the daily chart of Nifty. So we can see that prices have currently shown a bounce on the upside while taking the support from the gap which was created around 18th of October 2022, and with the level it is 17,450. Just switching on to the intraday charts, so we can see that the index is actually stuck in a narrow range of 17,790 on the higher side, while on the downside it is 17,332, around the level of 17,400 you can consider it. While so as we all are aware that tomorrow is one of the very crucial event for the Indian stock market, that is the budget. So over here, the expected range and the view for Nifty is currently sideways, as it is just stuck in a narrow range, and it's not doing anything. It's just stuck in a broader range of 17,790 on the higher side, while on the downside it is 17,400. So keeping a view for the budget, we have specially formulated a strategy for you all. So we'll just discuss about that in a bit of time. Just coming to Bank Nifty for it. So same thing with the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is currently showing a bounce from the 40,000 mark, which was the psychological support which we had discussed earlier as well, and which is also in sync with the 61.8%, while the 61.8 is around the level of 39,970, which is again you can just give it a leeway to 40,000 mark. So over here we are having multiple supports for Bank Nifty, but we can see that a breakdown has actually spoiled the overall chart of Bank Nifty and has lost its outperformance against the Nifty. So over here, just switching on to the intraday time frame, even over here we can see that the index is currently stuck into a range of 40,800 on the higher side, while on the downside it is the level of 39,500. So we'll wait for either of the sides to be taken out. So just introducing you to the strategy which we have actually formed for budget day. So that is, here you can see is the strategy which we have created for Nifty. So that is basically a 4 leg strategy. Over here you can see, so we have sold 2 legs, that is the 17,550 call of 2nd Feb 2023 expiry, while we have also sold the put option of 17,550. So the thing is that we actually had published this idea for our clients in the morning, so that's why we can see over here it is showing PNL, the live PNL. So over here you can see that while at that moment the level of 17,550 was the price where the Nifty was actually trading at. So that is that was at the money call option which we have sold, the call as well as the put, while on the higher side we have bought the 17,900 call of the same expiry, that is the 2nd Feb 2023, and on the downside we have bought put of 17,200 of the same expiry, 2nd Feb 2023. So going ahead, the break evens are at a level of 17,314 and 17,786, while the max profit here you can see is the 11,812, while the max loss is 5,688. So which is round about to 17.8% of the margin. So over here you can see is the margin which it shows is 60,886, which is just the margin required for the selling side. But if we'll add the amount which we are going to pay for buying the option, required margin will stretch to the point of 66,000. So the overall margin required for this strategy is around about to 66,000, while the maximum profit which you'll gain if the position expires anywhere between the level of 17,314 to 17,786, the max profit would be 11,812, while the max loss would be 5,688 if we get to see the expire this strategy expiring below the level of 17,000 or above the level of 17,900. So I hope you like this video. Please make sure that you comment on this video and you are subscribed to GPL's YouTube.